Welcome to Conscious Consumer. Today, we're diving into the best running shoes of 2025, tailored for every stride and style. Whether you're a beginner or seasoned runner, I've got you covered. Check out the product links below for more details. Let's get started. Number 5. Nike Invincible 3. Looking for an everyday running shoe that's as comfortable as it is responsive? The Nike Invincible 3 might just be your new go-to. This max cushion shoe stands out with its plush Zoom X midsole foam that delivers serious bounce underfoot, keeping your stride smooth and energized. Nike has made some key upgrades, like a thicker upper for added support, a sleeker heel clip for extra security, and even more Zoom X foam for those long, grueling runs. It's a bit more stable than its predecessors, but still retains that familiar cushioned ride. However, if you're not into extra support, the heel clip might not be for you. And if you're happy with the past versions, this might feel a bit familiar, but for runners seeking that extra plushness and a bit of support, the Invincible 3 delivers. Ready to feel that next-level cushion? Number 4. Brooks Ghost 15. If you're looking for a running shoe that's reliable and beginner-friendly, the Brooks Ghost 15 could be your perfect match. While it may not be the most exciting or best-looking shoe on the market, it shines with its firm, steady midsole and plush upper, making it a solid choice for those slow, easy miles. Fans of the Brooks Ghost line will find comfort in the familiarity of the 15th iteration, as it stays true to its durable, everyday design. However, the shoe does lack a bit of versatility. While it excels on those easier, relaxed runs, it can feel a bit clunky during tempo sessions, requiring more effort to pick up the pace. But if you're just starting your running journey or need a dependable shoe to support you through your first miles, the Brooks Ghost 15 is a reliable choice that won't let you down. Number 3. New Balance Fresh Foam X 1080 V13. At just 9.2 ounces for men and 7.3 ounces for women, this daily trainer brings the ideal balance of softness and liveliness underfoot. Designed with more Fresh Foam X midsole than its predecessor, it delivers a cushioned yet lightweight ride, making it perfect for everything from slow long runs to faster tempo sessions. Plus, with different width options, you can find the perfect fit for your feet. While the price is a bit higher than previous versions, this shoe is a serious investment in versatility. Whether you're gearing up for your first 5K or crushing marathon training, the 1080 V13 has got you covered. Who needs a closet full of shoes when you have the one that does it all? Number 2. Saucony Ride 17. Looking for a daily trainer that can handle anything you throw at it? Say hello to the Saucony Ride 17. With a weight of 9.9 ounces for men and 8.3 ounces for women, it might be slightly heavier than some of its rivals, but what it lacks in weight, it more than makes up for in comfort and versatility. Thanks to the Purin Plus midsole foam, each stride feels light and responsive, providing just the right amount of bounce to keep you going. Whether you're logging miles on a marathon training session or zipping through a quick run, the Ride 17 delivers with smooth mid-foot to forefoot transitions and a subtle rocker geometry that propels you forward with ease. The engineered mesh upper gives you a snug, secure fit with added flexibility for those longer runs. While the lacing system may need an extra tug, once it's locked in, this shoe is ready for anything. With all these features packed into an affordable package, the Saucony Ride 17 is a top contender for runners of all levels. Number 1. Nike Air Zoom Pegasus 40. Looking for a reliable, everyday running shoe that won't break the bank? Enter the Nike Air Zoom Pegasus 40, a perfect blend of comfort, versatility, and performance. Weighing just 9.2 ounces for men and 7.7 ounces for women, this lightweight daily runner is built with a cushioned midsole packed with React foam to keep your stride smooth and responsive. Whether you're gearing up for a marathon or just your first 5K, the Pegasus 40 has you covered. Plus, with 2 Zoom Air units in the forefoot and heel, you'll get that snappy, energized feel every step of the way. While it's not drastically different from its predecessor, the Pegasus 39, the updated fit provides a more comfortable experience, making it a solid choice for any runner. Looking for a deal? The Pegasus 39 might be on sale now with the arrival of this new edition. That's it for today's roundup of the best running shoes of 2025. Whether you're chasing your next PR or just starting out, there's a shoe here for you. Don't forget to check out the links below for more info. And if you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and let me know your top pick in the comments. See you in the next one.